Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to do a hill start without the car rolling backwards in traffic. I have already made a quick video where I show how to do a hill start using the handbrake and heel and toe techniques. I'll put the link into the description, so make sure you check it out as well. Right now I'll show you another way of starting on a hill. In my opinion, it's the most practical way of doing it, even though it may be hard to master it at first and definitely will require a good deal of practice. This technique is very similar to starting the car normally on a flat surface, when you slowly release the clutch pedal until it reaches a bite point, while at the same time slowly pressing the gas pedal. The bite point is when the clutch plate and flywheel engage smoothly. The difference with starting the car on a hill is you have to do it way quicker, both releasing the clutch pedal and pressing the gas pedal. And unlike normal start on a flat surface, the gas has to reach around 3000 rpm or more, opposed to around 1500 when you start the car normally. This way you give the car enough power to get up the hill. Keep in mind that since you're not using the handbrake, using this technique, as soon as you release the brake pedal, the car will start rolling backwards. This is exactly why this technique has to be done fast and precise. Okay, so right now we're approaching an intersection. Hopefully the light will turn red. It's still green right now. I'm not sure if you can tell, but there is a decent hill right now in front of us. So right now I'm parked on a hill. As you can see, the handbrake is not engaged. There's a car behind us. So I'm just waiting for the light to turn green. So I put the car in first gear. Right now I press the clutch and the brake at the same time. So as I've explained before, we'll have to do it quickly. Like this, you can see. So the revolutions actually probably reach about 2,500 RPM. And that's pretty much all we need. As you can see, the car kind of rolled a little bit, but because it was done fast, I was able to move almost without rolling backwards. So in this case, I had to reach only about 2000 RPM. But that will depend a lot on how steep the hill is. So the steeper the hill, the more power you have to apply to get the car moving. Another thing I want to mention that if you fail to perform this technique properly, most likely the car will stall. So the first thing you have to do in this case is just immediately press the brake pedal just to stop the car from moving. Also, what you could do, you could turn on your emergency lights just to inform the driver behind you that you're having problems, and try to stay calm, and in this situation immediately restart the car. You can actually use the handbrake as an aid if, say, you roll backwards a little bit and there is not much space between your car and the car in the back. You could do that, and just using the handbrake, same thing, put it in the first gear and start moving. I want to stress that this technique has to be practiced a lot before you actually start using it in regular driving. The best way would be to find a hill in your area and practice till you actually get it. So I hope that this information was helpful for you guys, and if you have any questions or comments, just feel free to leave them in the comment section below the video. See you guys later.